look, when you're spinning, start from the top and try to go slower down the pole. You'll get more spins by putting more pressure on your hands. There you go. That's it.
Smoking.
Yeah, you're doing it, man. See, we don't have any dust in there to collect it yet. So we need to get some more dust before we really turn this thing on. All right.
Catching fire.
All right, let's turn it on now. Come on, keep going, buddy. Oh, put it back in there, that's fine. I got you. You ready?
Yeah.
Go for it.
You trying to catch a fire?
Do what?
You trying to catch a fire?
Yeah, we're trying to get that to burn.
You keep on my hand, buddy.
So now we'll check. See if smoke's coming out by itself.
Get out of there.
I think it is. Not quite. Okay, now. Well, maybe we do. Yep, we got it. Come here, Quan. Give him some, buddy. Look what you helped do right there.
Yeah, look what I have to do.
Yeah, you did a lot of that work, son. Okay, so that ember, we'll just let it blow. See it right there?
It's burning.
Yeah. How you like that? That's magic, man. Some pine straw right here. Come here, Quan. Pass that back to Tavion, please.
Tavion.
What you want to do is, see that ember? We're going to lay this pine straw, put it inside this little nest, like that. Just start to blow it. See that? You hold it. Come here. It's your fire. Hold it down here. You don't want to squeeze it too hard. Now let it breathe. There you go. Blow hard. There you go. Good. Good. Excellent. Keep blowing.
My boy Quan.
Don't breathe the smoke. Blow some more. Blow some more. You're about there. Move your face back. Yeah, there you go. Do it again.
He said that guy.
Y'all know y'all gonna be on YouTube channel for it.
Yes, sir. Oh, there you go.
There it is. Awesome, Quan. Put it in the fire pit. There you go. Come on, boy. That's awesome, man. Your first friction fire. That's awesome.
Boy Quan right there. He did.
This man right here is the fire god. He has just started his first friction fire. Rubbing sticks together. Awesome. Thank you, Tavion, for filming that, man.
Anytime.
Perfect. Perfect. All right, now see this fire went out? But that pine straw is easy to get going again. Just got to let it breathe. Perfect. Now you can blow that into flame again. Just get down, not on top of it, down here from this side, blow from the side. Blow from the side. Look, get down low. There you go. You got it. You got it, man. That's it.
What's the most surprised by that?
Just got a little bit in there. Now we didn't prepare any other stuff for that thing to eat, so. So this material that we're putting on there, yeah, this material is our tinder. Now we should have had some kindling here to throw on top of that, and then we could have put some larger fuel on there. Man, you don't know how proud I am of you. You're one of the few students who's ever done that on the first try, who actually had the strength and stamina to keep doing it. That was excellent. Excellent.